Happy morning, dear friends. Here's yours, Dr. Ajanta. Welcome to Demystify with Ajay. In today's episode of One Concept 2 Minutes, we are diving deep into dropout. Think of a school classroom where only a few students are answering all the questions. The rest become passive, never really participating or learning deeply. So the teacher decided to randomly call on different students each day, forcing everyone to stay alert and prepared. Over time, the entire class become more knowledgeable, not just a few. That's the role of dropout in neural network. It keeps the model from depending too heavily on a few specific neurons by randomly turning some of them off during training. So the result, of course, a more balanced, robust and generalized neural network. Dear friends, dropout is a regularization technique used to prevent overfitting in deep neural network. Here's what happens during training. See, at each training step, a dropout randomly deactivates a certain percentage of neurons in the network. So these neurons are dropped temporarily, not permanently. So their connections are ignored just for the training phase. The idea is to force the network to not rely too heavily on any single neuron or a path. So during interface or testing, dropout is turned off, but the weights are scaled appropriately to reflect the average training behavior. And here, dear friends, dropout acts like ensemble learning within a single network. So each mini version of a network during training learns slightly different features and paths. And here when combined, of course, it reduces co-adaptation of neurons. It makes the network less sensitive to noise in the data. And of course, it improves generalization, meaning it performs better on unseen data. Dropout is especially useful in fully connected layers, though newer techniques and architectures sometimes use alternatives like a drop, connect or a regularization with batch normal. Just like smart teacher who ensures every student participation, dropout keeps every neuron in the game, building a model that's not just smart but well-rounded. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you in the next video, dear friends. Happy learning.